Understanding debugging output logs.
Debugging output logs are messages generated by software to help developers track what a program is doing. These logs can highlight errors, warnings, or important events during execution. Learning how to read and interpret them is a fundamental skill for anyone starting out in coding, as it makes diagnosing issues quicker and more effective.
Common elements in logs.
Most debugging logs include a timestamp, the name of the module or process, a log level like info, warning, or error, and a descriptive message. Pay special attention to log levels, as errors usually signal what needs urgent attention, while warnings and info logs provide helpful context for troubleshooting.
Decoding log messages.
When reading a log message, first look for keywords or error codes. These often point directly to the source of the problem. Carefully read the context around any errors, as lines before or after might reveal what caused the issue. Remember, even small details in the logs can be crucial for effective debugging.
Best practices for beginners.
Start by filtering logs to reduce noise. Focus on error messages or relevant modules. Take notes or copy key messages for deeper research. If the logs contain unfamiliar terms, look them up in documentation or community forums. Avoid making guesses. Use the log data to guide your next steps.
Building log reading skills.
Regular practice makes reading debugging logs easier. Try following logs during both successful runs and error scenarios to learn their structure. Over time, you'll spot patterns, recognize frequent issues, and become much faster at diagnosing coding problems using logs.